Attorneys for the man accused of killing Delphi teens Abby Williams and Libby German are still in court right now in Carroll County. It is day 2 of 3 days of hearings in the case against Richard Allen. Today, his attorneys want to make sure the jury never hears certain statements. WRTV's Kaitlyn Kendall has been in court all day there in Delphi and stepped out right now to give us an update. Kaitlyn.
Yeah, Nicole, it's still in the heat of debate today in front of Special Judge Fran Gull. The defense attorneys wanting, we now know, 61 admissions of guilt made by Allen inside the jail to be thrown out. They're saying that he made those at various times and to various people. We also have learned a bit today from witnesses who took to the stand from inside the Westville Correctional Facility about the type of cell he's been in, solitary confinement, placed on suicide watch. But a majority of our day has been learning more about Richard Allen's mental status while inside of the Westville Correctional Facility. On the stand right now, his clinical psychologist is discussing a number of things about Allen and his mental status, saying that Richard Allen has eaten his own feces while inside of the Westville Correctional Facility, washed his face in the toilet. They also have said that he has slipped into moments of psychotic behavior. So all of these things are being broken down by his clinical psychologist while being questioned by the defense. But at the latter half of the defense's questioning, they also start questioning her integrity in terms of who she is as a clinical psychologist and kind of her intentionality in some of her statements being made, saying that this clinical psychologist allegedly posted to social media while also treating Richard Allen for his mental health. So they're questioning some of her intent into terms of who she is as a clinical psychologist and wondering why she had invested interest in this case, why she was making comments on social media regarding this case while also treating Richard Allen for his mental health status. All of that has been happening right now. That clinical psychologist is now being cross-examined by the state right now. So, of course, we're going to go back inside to see what's happening there. Our Rachel Wilkerson is still inside, making sure we don't miss anything so we can bring you the very latest both on air and online. Of course, lots of argument to be heard and lots of information for the judge to take into consideration on whether this defense's motion is going to be awarded or not. Nicole?